Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clean with me and decorate with me video along with showing you guys this really pretty glass oil diffuser. It's by Cosvii and it is so small and so gorgeous. I think this is the most elegant looking oil diffuser I have ever owned, and you guys know how much I am in love with them. But they are super easy. It's a 120 milliliter oil diffuser and it has 7 color LED changing lights, and it also has an automatic shut off function. But I think this one is so pretty, so I just added water already, and I really like orange essential oil when I use this in my bedroom. I don't know why, but I just really like it. But I think this is so pretty and I just love the colors, and it's pretty small, so I just really like this. So if you guys want to check this out, this is one of the most inexpensive oil diffusers I have ever seen, so I will leave a link in the description box below if you would like to check it out, along with a coupon code. But right now Presley and I are just going to be cleaning everything. We're going to be kind of dusting. I use an all-purpose cleaner on all of our furniture in the bedroom, and so I'm just going to wipe everything down. We have animals, so there is hair just everywhere in every little crevice we have. And then I did buy a new comforter. I will leave the link down below if you want to check that out if I can find it. I purchased this from Target and this was only $30. So I was really excited to find a deal on a comforter because we really needed a new one pretty bad.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down.
So I am super happy with this comforter. I think it looks so pretty. I love the yellow. We have like a yellow TV stand in here, so I just think it all kind of matches and looks really good with the wall color. I am just like super excited about having a new comforter and a brand new oil diffuser too. It makes me so happy and so excited. And then now I'm just going to be wiping down all of our furniture. So I'm going to be doing both of our dressers and then the TV stand. And of course I am not going to wash the windows because I despise washing windows. And I feel like every time I do them, it just like smears stuff all over anyways. I don't know. If you guys have any tips on how to wash windows without getting smudges everywhere, please let me know in the comments below, because I swear I always have smudges every time I do them.
Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide.
And my area of the bedroom is such a disaster. I have clothing all over. I'm going to be doing a fall lookbook video pretty soon with this AMI clubwear. It is this website that contacted me. I am so excited to be doing that video pretty soon. They seriously have the best clothes I have ever got. I'm like, was super excited to get them and try them on, and everything fit so good. So I cannot wait to show you guys that soon.
Take the roller coaster, and you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another.
And then now, since school is started again, I don't do my laundry every Sunday. I really try to take advantage of not having to clean it all during the weekend. So I am just folding our towels and like pajamas and everything like that. And this was like the only laundry I actually had to do this whole entire day, so I was pretty excited.
Another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster, and you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
now I'm going to vacuum our whole room. This is like the biggest room in our whole entire house, so it takes me seriously like not too long to clean because it doesn't get too dirty, but I swear I have to vacuum so much. But look at these vacuum lines. This makes me so happy even just like watching this and looking at this. But seriously, I love vacuum lines.
Everybody wants to hear you. It's getting kind of crazy up in here. Everybody wants to ride in the water slide. 3, 4. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
And now I'm just going to make like a small little photo gallery on our bedroom wall. I've had a ton of photos that have just been sitting around, so I just wanted to get them all hung up. And that is it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure you guys check out that oil diffuser by Cosvii if you'd like to get more information about it. I will leave the link in the description box below. But it is so cute and so pretty, and I'm absolutely in love with it. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!